How to fix Ghost Recon Wildlands not launching on PC. Easy fixes that actually work. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Ghost Recon Wildlands if it won't launch on your PC. Whether the game crashes immediately, gets stuck on the splash screen, shows a black screen, or simply refuses to open. These are the most effective troubleshooting steps that actually work for many players. Let's start with the easiest fix. First, restart your PC and launch both Ubisoft Connect and your game launcher, such as Steam, with administrator privileges. This resolves permission-related issues that can prevent the game from starting. Next, verify the game files. If you're using Steam, open your library, click Ghost Recon Wildlands, select Properties, go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. If you're using Ubisoft Connect, open the game's properties and select Verify Files. This repairs missing or corrupted game files that commonly cause launch problems. Now make sure you're using the latest version of Ubisoft Connect. Older versions of the launcher can prevent the game from starting correctly. If necessary, update or reinstall Ubisoft Connect, then restart your PC before trying again. Another common fix is to update Windows and your graphics drivers. Outdated NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics drivers, along with missing Windows updates, can cause compatibility issues with older games like Ghost Recon Wildlands. If the game still won't launch, temporarily disable overlays from Steam, Ubisoft Connect, Discord, MSI Afterburner, or other monitoring software. These overlays sometimes interfere with the game's startup process. You should also check your antivirus or Windows security settings. Make sure Ghost Recon Wildlands, Ubisoft Connect, and BattleEye are not being blocked or quarantined. If necessary, add them to your antivirus exclusions and try launching the game again. If you're experiencing a splash screen freeze, delete the Ubisoft Connect cache. Corrupted launcher cache files can prevent the game from loading correctly. After deleting the cache, restart Ubisoft Connect and launch the game again. For players on newer versions of Windows 11, especially with modern hardware, some users have reported compatibility issues causing the game to hang on the splash screen. If you've already tried all the standard fixes, check Ubisoft's support resources and community forums for any newly released compatibility updates or official workarounds. Here's a pro tip. Before reinstalling the game, always verify the game files and update Ubisoft Connect. In many cases, these two simple steps resolve launch issues without requiring a complete reinstall. And that's how you can fix Ghost Recon Wildlands if it's not launching on your PC. By following these troubleshooting steps one by one, you'll solve the most common startup problems and get back into the game much faster. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more PC gaming tutorials, and let me know in the comments what game you'd like me to cover next.